MakeSense devlog number 1. Welcome to you. Welcome to this series of videos about how I created my game SenS, and showing and explaining the decision and the technical parts of the game creation, how I make new game features and assets using Unreal Engine. These videos will cover various topics about general game concepts and rules or principles, and they will cover various topics, as I was saying, like game design, level art, level lighting, and also some code necessary for making all this game feature working. There will be also a little bit of animation and user interface, and I will go deep enough into details and step by step explaining my choices and how things are working, so these videos are suited for beginners. If you're not a beginner, if you are a normal user of Unreal Engine or an experienced user, and if you are used to create games, it will be also interesting to see how I produce my own source, and to learn maybe some things, because Unreal Editor is quite a complex piece of software. There are a lot of functionalities, there are a lot of parameters, a lot of tools. Sometimes, almost every time I use it, I discover new things and understand better how are working the tools. Even if I'm quite experienced using it, as I start using Unreal Engine in 2007 with Unreal Engine 3. I used other engine too, but I have a good experience using Unreal. And yeah, even experienced people will be interested by these videos, I hope. For the people that are very total beginners in game creation, that people that doesn't know at all how to use Unreal Engine, I highly recommend you to go on the Epic Game website and to follow some basic tutorials to learn how to use the engine, to learn about the interface, about the basic concepts and the way it manages, the way the elements needed to make basic games. So your first hour in Unreal Engine might be the first thing to start with, and then you might, when you are comfortable enough with the editor, you can come back and follow my videos. I recommend it. You do whatever you want, of course. So today, in this first video, we are going to make the basic game framework. So the basic elements required to make the game running. SenS is a first-person exploration game mainly. So we will create a first-person character, and we will make the controller and the inputs to be able to move with this character, basic movement for now, and jump also. And it will be first-person view, but with body awareness, meaning we can see, when the player can see the character body, even if it's through first-person view. At the end of this video, you should have your basic movement walking, jumping, and having a body. That's all. That's pretty much what you can have in the basic templates that you can find when you are creating a new project in Unreal, but made a little bit differently, and I will explain more than if you were just experimenting by yourself on the templates. So now let's go.